Hi Sonu sir, welcome to Beyond the Mirror.
Most welcome.
What do you do professionally?
I
Tell
have
us.
been associated with Bollywood now. Yeah, I completed 25 years. Actually, my first job was Kahuna Pyar Hai.
Oh. Which Bollywood celebrity you think has like lovely hair, natural hair?
Shah Rukh Khan's hair is, I think you cannot go wrong. Superb
Yeah,
hair, Shah
he
Rukh
has the
Khan.
best.
He's the biggest star
Yeah.
Bollywood has ever seen, I think, after
love
Rajesh
it.
Khanna.
And
There cannot be a second Shah Rukh.
why do you think celebrities are not very open about, when they get their procedures done for transplant?
If you get something done
Yeah.
and someone asks you if you have got your hair or skin done and you say no,
Right.
they believe you? No, they go behind and they laugh. बेवकूफ है यार, दिख रहा है इसके face पे.
But, yeah, and we see so many of them, then they're in the caps roaming around. Even in the night, they're always in that cap.
I think it's called a patch or
Yeah,
it's
hair
called
patch.
something.
Yeah.
I don't even
so
know.
many of those actors wear it.
Don't get stuck in that taboo which used to be 25 years old. Oh, cosmetic surgery करवा रहा है? हाँ, करवा रहा हूँ.
When did you identify that it was a serious problem or did it bother you?
I was in Istanbul for shooting a film. When I reached Turkey, I saw about 50% of the people wearing this green
Surgical
kind of
cap.
some cap and they said, this is a surgical cap.
Correct.
I said, what are they doing? He said, यहाँ पे factory system में hair transplant होता है. I said, you know what? Let me go and meet Abhishek again. He said it'll take at least minimum 2-3 sessions.
Sitting.
We started.
Correct.
I felt it a little bit, but then slowly and steadily because when once the anesthesia took
Yeah.
its effect, it kept getting better. And I was stepping out, having my tea,
Right.
walking around. It was a good process.
Yes.
It was not stressful. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days done. I had an option where I was in Istanbul for shooting a film for
Correct.
28 days. So for me, it was an easy option to get
Easy
it done in
option.
Istanbul, my hair transplant. I said no. I am also very firmly make in India wala.
India wala.
The world has imported Indian doctors. That
That's
means you have the best doctors in
Best
India.
doctors, the best
That's why they are
skill,
going
yes.
going all over the world.
Hi Sonu sir, welcome to Beyond the Mirror. Thank you for coming here.
Most welcome. Anytime. I mean, I'm happy to be here anytime for Ashur and Abhishek and you also as well.
Thank you so much. So obviously here we are discussing with most of our patients, regarding the inspiring stories and the transformative journeys that they've had post their hair restoration. But of course, diving into that a little later. First, we wanted to, know a little about yourself, like your work life, what do you do professionally, and if you could just
I
tell
have
us.
been associated with Bollywood now. Yeah, I completed 25 years. Actually, my first job was Kahuna Pyar Hai.
Oh, okay.
So now since you hear Kahuna Pyar Hai has completed 25 years of
Right.
release,
Right.
but the film takes about 2 years to make. So
Correct.
technically I've completed 26 years odd in Bollywood because my first job was Kahuna Pyar Hai.
Correct.
And yeah, that's what I actually started with artist management.
Okay.
Then slowly and steadily got into event management. Now,
Okay.
by the grace of God, we are producing a few shows and films hopefully very soon. So, finally I took the decision of getting my hair sorted.
Right.
मैंने बोला maybe I get a chance in front of the camera, so let's try it.
Right. Since you're from the glamour world, of course, obviously hair is something which is important. Skin and hair is something to be the most presentable. How did you start seeing the hair loss, and when did you identify that it was a serious problem, or did it bother you?
See, it does bother everybody. So if someone says that it's not bothering me, especially nowadays, I got it done, I think, a while ago. It should be
Right.
about 4-5 years. But I mean, it's getting better.
Right.
People sometimes feel that, any kind of cosmetic surgery or whatever would fade off. Mine, in fact, I mean,
Enhancing.
it's enhancing. It's just looking good. I never kept long hair. I'm keeping long hair now.
Right.
So, yeah, I didn't have hair for about 10-15 years.
Mm.
And then one day, a friend of mine who was threatened by his wife that I'm going to leave because you're looking like my father.
Oh
So
my God.
on one Sunday or Saturday afternoon, we went to Ashur Bandra
Yeah, the
car
car
at
branch.
Linking Road.
Okay.
And I said, I've heard good things about how it's done at Ashur.
Correct.
There were 4, 5, 6 doctors around, but I
Right.
said, I've heard good things.
Right.
So I took him and I said, Chal, let's go.
So that was for him.
For him. I
Okay.
had nothing. I had no intention of getting it done.
Okay.
I went there and he was much worse than me at that
Right.
point.
Right.
And then we had this meeting. So I met Abhishek and in about 4 minutes I said, nahi yaar, he'll pull it off. So my friend said, done, main karta hu, ye karta hu, wo karta hu. What is the procedure? So he said, my procedure. And then Abhishek told me, you know what? You're also losing hair. It's not the worst situation, but if you do it now,
Correct.
it will look natural.
Right.
I said, yeah, but I'm not interested.
Hmm.
I don't care. And
Yeah.
that time I think I used to be 20, 30 kilos heavier also.
Oh, okay.
I said, I'm behind the camera. I don't need to
Right.
be
Right.
whatever. But then I think my friend, he did the procedure of paperwork and everything.
Hmm.
And eventually he didn't turn up.
Oh,
वो डर गया कि ये होगा वो हो गया. Like usually now what
yeah,
people
that
do,
happens. Yeah.
people go online. What is the
Watch it.
procedure? How long does it take for healing? Does it pain? I hate
Yeah, those
Google.
videos also scary
Correct.
sometimes.
I
Correct.
hate Google. I said, ठीक है, anyway. And then I was telling my wife that, we went there, this happened. So she said, you also spend so much time with these
Yes.
celebrities. Don't you also want to look presentable? Start losing weight, take care of your hair, take care of your skin, do this.
Correct.
मतलब हाँ देखते हैं.
So
And
till
that's
then
how
you
I-
were not so interested.
ऐसे देखते हैं.
हाँ.
Then it was my friend's 25th wedding anniversary.
Correct.
And we were traveling to Antalya via Istanbul,
Okay.
Turkey.
Yes.
And when I reached Turkey, and I saw about 50% of the people wearing this green
Surgical
kind of
cap.
some cap, and they said, this is a surgical cap.
Correct.
I said, what are they doing? He said, यहाँ पे factory system में hair transplant होता है. I said, really? So I said, means so many people are actually bothered about their
Yes.
appearance.
Yes.
So I said, see, people are bothered about their appearance, and
Correct.
when there is a possible sort of, you may call it technology service, whatever
To
you may
fix
call it, to fix your problems,
Correct.
why don't you do it?
Yeah.
I said, but yeah, I'm not very worried about my appearance. He said,
Correct.
yeah, but like again, you are with
Celebrities.
top celebrities, top sports personalities
Right.
most of the time. Please try and look presentable. थोड़ा
Correct.
वजन कम करो, बाल ठीक करो, skin ठीक करो. I used to have severe pigmentation on my face also.
Right.
And obviously, yeah, like I said, huge, no hair. So I was just, and she was worried that I was looking like her father also at one point. So I came back, and then I think I met Abhishek. I asked my friend if he did it or
Yeah.
not, and he said, नहीं यार, अभी तक mind makeup नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया. I just went. I said, you know what? Let me go and meet Abhishek again.
Right.
I went, I think, and again in 5 minutes, I said, which Friday, Saturday, Sunday are you free?
Okay.
He said, it'll take at least minimum. I'll need
Yeah.
2-3 sessions.
Sittings.
I said, you know what? Let's do it slowly
Hmm.
because I'm not sure what it is.
Correct.
एक फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे बैक टू बैक करते हैं 3-4
Right.
घंटे वॉट एवर यू नीड एंड ही इज डैम गुड एट कन्विंसिंग अरे नहीं 2-3 घंटे पर डे में आराम से हो जाएगा so I went, we started.
Correct.
I felt it a little bit, but then slowly and steadily, because when once the anesthesia took
Yeah.
its effect, it kept getting better,
Better.
and I was stepping out, having my tea,
Right.
walking around, just say, "Ha, it's okay, it'll
Correct.
be done, it'll be done."
Correct.
And then at the moment, I said, you know what, let's do it tomorrow. Let's continue tomorrow. He
Yes.
said, fine, no hurry.
Correct.
So it was a good process.
Yes.
It was not stressful.
Yeah.
कि अरे
Not
नहीं,
really
ये करना है,
exerting
नहीं.
also. हाँ.
Yeah, I didn't have that. It's not like, pressure है, ऐसा करना है, अभी करना है, वैसा करना है. So it was a very good process.
Right.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days done. And then I think it took a few months, and then I think the follicles fell off, and then again,
Regrew
it all
again.
came back.
Right.
And the moment I saw that, and also reaction from people. So people told me, कुछ करवाया है तूने, कुछ करवाया है. There are a lot of people who are, for some strange reason, not willing to accept it when they get it done also.
Which is true. Yeah.
Why? If I have got a hair transplant, I've got a hair transplant.
Correct.
What's the big deal?
Right.
I mean, people, if there is some service available,
Yes.
people say, अरे इसका स्किन देखो यार, इसने बोटॉक्स करवाया होगा. हाँ, अगर करवाया है,
Yeah.
सर्विस अवेलेबल है, वो सेफ है.
Why not?
How does it bother
In fact,
somebody
I was
else?
going to ask you because we have celebrities where they're very open about getting it done, but there are also a few where they are a little hesitant to have that known in public.
My question has been why. So basically, when people, you think that if you get something done
Yeah.
and someone asks you if you have got your hair or skin done and you say no,
Right.
they believe you? No, they go behind and they laugh. बेवकूफ है यार, दिख रहा है इसके face पे.
The transformation
दिख रहा
is visible.
It's
Exactly.
visible. So if
Right.
people ask me, have you got a hair transplant done? I said not once, twice, because that's the truth.
Yeah.
The moment I got it done once, as in once I did it for 3
Yeah.
sittings, and it was looking good.
Yes.
I kept bumping into Abhishek because I also am a Dubai resident, and
Correct.
then we all started
Yeah.
in Dubai. So he in fact called me to the clinic. A lot of my
Right.
friends went to him. In fact, I think a lot of my friends in India also have got it done.
Got it.
Once they saw my
Results.
results, the results were so good,
Right.
and I was very open.
Yeah.
Yes, I have got it done.
Correct.
So they asked me from who, and
Then
I
the
said
rest
from
of it.
Abhishek. How are you feeling? I said it's superb. How long did it take it to heal? I said 1 week. In 1 week, I took the scabs off. सब dry हो गया. That's about it. अरे पर बाद में post care, अब क्या दवाइयाँ ली? I said, no,
Nothing.
I didn't take anything. I don't know
Yeah.
about the others, but about the other doctors also.
Correct.
I didn't take anything.
Right.
PRP करवाना पड़ता है. I said, करवाना पड़ता है, मैंने वो भी नहीं करवाया.
Mm.
उसके बाद इतना अच्छा result. I said, could be individual,
Yes.
but you get PRP done, it will enhance. I didn't get PRP done. मैंने बोला ठीक है यार, it's anyway looking so good, I don't want to do PRP.
Correct.
Yeah, and I'm not. I use my regular shampoos. I use my
No
regular
special maintenance.
just that I don't dye my hair
Hmm.
because I don't like it.
Hmm.
Because what happened was, I had all grey hair.
Hmm.
Even the little bit I had in front was grey.
Yeah.
The moment we extracted from behind
Hmm.
and implanted in front,
Hmm.
my hair has grown dark.
Hmm.
I don't know how that happened, or it happens with everybody.
Right.
So this is natural. I have never dyed my hair in the last 5 years.
Okay.
I just don't dye.
But in fact, the salt and pepper looks
Yeah,
pretty
no,
stylish
but
and
if it was fully white, it would have
हाँ.
looked awkward.
correct.
पीछे से निकाल के आगे डाले and it become
So
dark.
Dubna has basically mixed hair. So
अच्छा.
what you transfer is some of that's why the salt and pepper look, and
Right,
some
but
could
it's
be the
mine is
darker
more
follicles.
pepper now, so I'm
हाँ.
happy. Earlier it was more salt. अभी तो ज़्यादा
Hmm.
pepper हो गया, so I'm
पर
happy with
अच्छा भी
that.
लग रहा है.
And I don't need to dye, and it looks. I mean, people
Right.
said don't color your hair during
Yeah.
COVID. We couldn't. I couldn't go to the salon or everything. So I just left my beard and my hair natural, and I think it's looking much better than what it was before. So
What are the compliments that you've got post seeing your transformation?
the hair, a lot of people see. People understand nowadays because there's so much available. Even material online. कि
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है? FUE
Mhm.
technology क्या है? This.
Right.
I think they're coming up with some new technology now, some robotic.
Hmm.
I get very scared with robotics and all. A human is a human.
Yes.
You have something in control. A robot is a machine.
True.
The machine goes out of control, and what happens to my head?
Correct.
Forget my hair. So I mean, I was most comfortable with the
With the
FUE.
surgeon's approach.
Correct. Because you have 4 or 5 humans around you, and they're in control of what they're doing.
Right.
Even if they know what they're doing.
Yes.
Is my point. But I'm saying the whole look,
Hmm.
because I got the hair done, and like you said, compliments. People noticed that the hair has grown and it was growing well.
Right.
I had more pressure now. अभी बोला अभी weight कम करो,
Hmm.
अभी अपना skin भी ठीक करो. Now, if there are options available.
Yes.
Now, again, for losing weight also, there were many options which were cosmetic available.
Hmm.
I didn't choose that route.
Hmm.
I said, I'd rather go to the gym. Let me see if I can do it
Right.
for a year or two.
Hmm.
If I can do it, I'd rather continue with that
Correct.
because that is a little invasive.
Right.
So I didn't want anything invasive literally because it's a little scary.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's just
So now you're happy with the decision because then you were not even interested. You
I
had
was
come
not
for your
interested in
friend.
losing weight or looking not looking good but looking average.
Hmm.
And I didn't care about my skin. In fact, now I still have to. I've left my skin this in half again.
Hmm.
I thought today I'm going to again talk to
Right.
Abhishek and say I need to get my skin sorted a little bit more. But I had my face had big patches of
Right.
pigmentation,
Right.
and yeah,
Which you've got
I had
treated.
consulted Ashore for that also.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Why do you think celebrities are not very open about when they get their procedures done for transplant? Most of them, in fact.
See, the thing is, with most people,
Hmm.
I mean, if it's a celebrity or if
Hmm.
it's an actor or whatever you may call it,
Hmm.
they get paid to look good.
Hmm.
The moment they say that I am paying
Yes.
and getting cosmetic surgery to look good,
Hmm.
it becomes an issue.
Yeah. So the brands
It's-
that they endorse and all
Exactly.
that.
It's still a taboo.
Correct.
See, in the West, people don't care.
Yes, that's
I mean, people are getting weird things done to their face, which is also not good.
right.
But in India, still,
Yes.
it's a little, I don't know why, they're a little worried to be out there in the open. But abhi to dikhta
But
hai
it
na,
can
this
also
is-
help in the other way. Like, they've been role models for so many of them.
Yeah.
They influence so many people. In fact, if they are open about, that they've got the procedure done, that's going to build in a lot of confidence to the general public also that, okay, इन्होंने कराया तो फिर तो हम भी करा सकते हैं. It can
But
also help.
अभी पता चल जाता है.
Hmm.
वो बोले या नहीं बोले ना, you
हाँ,
can see
पता
it.
तो चल जाता है.
And I think more than good,
Hmm.
a lot of people who have got it done internationally,
Hmm.
because like I said, I've lived Bollywood for 25, 26 years.
Right.
जिन्होंने internationally अभी करवाया है, in fact,
Hmm.
some people their
Hmm.
stuff has gone wrong.
Not
and
gone
you can
right.
see it.
Yes, that
A
is
lot of
quite
people have
visible.
noticed it.
And they've been
they say,
trolled for that
"Shit,
as well."
Exactly.
Hmm.
So nowadays, when there is social media
Yes.
and so much
You get
visibility in
captured
everything,
anywhere. That's true.
and it's evident, you can see.
Yeah, and we see so many of them. Then they're in the cabs roaming around. Even in the night, they're always in
Yeah.
that cab. they're covering
because
it probably.
certain people,
Hmm.
now again, certain people who didn't decide to do it,
Hmm.
or some people who think nahi yaar theek hai, manageable hai, I believe are wearing some sort of,
Hmm.
I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called a patch, or
Yeah,
it's
hair
called
patch.
something,
Yeah.
I don't even
So
know.
many of those actors wear it. Hmm.
I don't know,
Correct.
but you know, if I get to know if someone is wearing a patch,
Hmm.
I go to them and tell them, bro, get rid of that patch
Natural
for your
one.
center crown, और जाके फटाफट करवा लो, it'll take you 2 days, just get it done, and let it be natural. Why would you wake up every morning and put a patch?
True.
I
very
mean,
true.
doesn't make sense, and you have to look good to sell.
Yeah,
So
for
rather
them
do it.
that's their
That's
nature
the
of
bread
work.
and butter.
That's
You have to look good. Your skin and your hair has to look
has to
good.
be good.
You have to be presentable enough,
Yes.
and that's how you sell. So
True,
I don't know why it's a taboo still,
Right.
but I think in the next coming years it's going to get
It's
better,
gonna
because
get
now it's evident.
Right.
You know, 85-year-old actors in our industry are looking like
Exactly.
younger than me.
I know.
So,
With
I
the
mean,
Botox.
it's
and,
evident. No,
yeah,
it's
of
evident.
course.
As long as it's done well,
It's done,
done
well, it's
correctly,
good.
safely.
Yeah.
You don't.
True.
Why should? And a lot of people tell me, no, this person travels to this place, this person travels to that. All international names they give me.
Hmm.
And I had an option where I was in Istanbul for shooting a film for
Correct.
28 days.
Hmm.
So for me, it was an easy option to get
Easy
it done in
option.
Istanbul, my hair
Hmm.
transplant. I said no.
Hmm.
I am also very firmly make in India
With
wala.
India wala.
Nahi,
I
boss,
know.
why
I think
not?
some of them also think कि media attention now इसलिए they fly abroad. Maybe it's not that the Indian surgeons they don't want.
But when you
but
come
वो
back and it's
attention.
evident, तो मीडिया
हाँ,
अटेंशन,
पता तो
फिर
चल
तो
जाएगा.
ट्रोल हो जाते हो आप.
हाँ,
यहाँ
that's
पे
true.
आपको मीडिया अटेंशन मिलेगा, वहां वापस आने के बाद तो आप ट्रोल हो जाते हो.
हाँ, that's
So
true.
it's better to have attention than be trolled.
That's true.
And attention how? I'm saying hypothetically, as an artist, a celebrity, a cricketer, a
Hmm.
footballer, a tennis player comes into your clinic.
Correct.
You are not calling paparazzi outside and saying, ये
Right.
आ रहा है, चलो photo निकालो.
Hmm.
In fact, you're going to be discreet as a doctor.
Correct. Correct.
You're going to say no. They can walk in with one
Mask.
because after
Yes.
COVID, everybody is wearing masks as
True.
fashion. Walk in,
Hmm.
you go down, your clinic is all secure. You
Yeah.
can just come in for 4
But
hours,
we've
get out.
experienced this, so of course I can mention the name.
हाँ.
But one of the celebrities that we've done very
Hmm.
recently last year,
हाँ.
we had to, kind of keep the clinic shut, keep the back door entry open, and because we had to keep it very confidential.
That happens certain times with people who get followed. Paparazzi follow certain people.
हाँ. हाँ.
And they know their car numbers.
So we
they
took
know
morning
this.
6 o'clock slots, and only the management team here.
वो भी
and
ठीक है ना.
उनके
As long as
उनके
they
hair
know.
stylist, bodyguard सब आए हैं, and then that's how with all that pressure the procedure happened.
But ठीक
So it
है, at
shouldn't
least
get
happened in
disclosed.
India.
हाँ, it
No?
happened in
I'm still happy.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
they trusted a doctor in India.
Yes, that's
Rather than was going all the way wherever
and he
they
referred us a lot of patients. So he's not open about he himself getting it done.
That's fine.
But within his circle, he's referred us so many patients.
That's fine.
Amongst, yeah.
Mine is the exact opposite. Mine, I've told everybody and it's evident.
Hmm.
Was ऐसे तो नहीं हुआ ना कि मैं एक दिन सोया सुबह को उठा बाल आ
बाल
गए.
आ गए. That's not possible.
And I was literally bald. I
Yes.
mean, I didn't have 10% of what I have hair that I have right now.
Correct.
I never grew my hair. I mean, I didn't have this kind of hair at the back.
Yes.
Even the donor area, I never grew.
Hmm.
I didn't have hair on my face. I didn't keep a beard because,
Yeah.
I started keeping a beard even again when I didn't have hair on the head because I said, kuch to ho. And then I said, no, now just let it be. I am open. I don't care. I mean,
True.
what difference does it make? Unless someone is paying for you. I mean, I paid for myself, so I'm happy.
Right. So, which Bollywood celebrity you think has like lovely hair, natural hair? जिसने कभी कुछ कराया नहीं, उनके खुद के बाल are like really lovely. Since you closely, are with them all the time.
Lovely hair. I think Shah Rukh
Shah
is-
Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan is. I mean, now even in Pathan, his hair was
He's
superb.
blessed with lovely hair.
Shah Rukh Khan's hair is, I mean, I think you cannot go wrong. Superb hair, Shah
He
Rukh
has the
Khan.
best hair.
Who else? I can't remember anyone who wouldn't have done a transplant in the recent past.
Mm. But his is natural hair. Like you
Shah
can
Rukh is
make out. He's
superb.
got excellent.
Shah Rukh for me is superb all over.
Mm.
I mean, he's the best
Mm.
in anything to do with acting, carrying himself, his behavior, and especially I love people who have come from the outside world and
Right.
become stars.
Mm.
Rather than, there is this new word in the market called
Yes,
nepotism.
nepotism.
But nepotism jaisa kuch, I don't think it bothers anyone or
Correct.
it shouldn't bother anyone because 80% of kids who have got an opportunity have failed.
Yes, that's true.
Just 20% have done something for themselves and that 20% also only on skill. So opportunity मिल सकती है,
Correct.
but manage करना कैसे होगा? Hrithik Roshan, being one of the star kids
Yes.
in the 20% who became a superstar.
Right.
How many kids that come to your mind कि ये superstar बन गया? नहीं, skill नहीं था, कुछ नहीं, घर पे बैठे हैं.
That's true. Mm.
And outsiders, Kartik Aaryan, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, too good.
Yeah.
There are few names that come to mind they got an opportunity easily, like an Alia Bhatt
Mm.
or Ranbir Kapoor.
Correct.
Very few.
Very
Very few people will come to your mind who became superstars.
Right.
Ritik Roshan.
True, true.
Baki 80% fail.
Mm.
So, I mean,
Which is the easiest to deal with celebrity, and which is the toughest, you think?
I've never had a problem with anybody.
No.
For some strange reason,
Mm.
I think 15 years or 17 years ago, I mean, I was just 7, 8 years old in the industry.
Mm.
I had got a tag from someone called the people's person.
Mm.
So they used to call me a people's person. I know how to handle
Handle
people.
them. Right.
You know, I mean, if they're upset, if they're
Hmm.
angry, if they are happy,
You can deal with
I
it very
think
well.
I maintain a balance.
Hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा खुश होता है तो मैं ज्यादा नहीं चढ़ाता हूँ. But our
Hmm.
industry से चढ़ा देंगे. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Hmm.
Next day the celebrity is going to be a bad mood, going to say something to you in front of 4 people.
Hmm.
Then you are going to feel bad.
Hmm.
I just keep a balance usually.
Correct.
And they gave me this, like I said, title. And I was very new, 5, 7 years into the industry, said
Hmm.
people's person. So they knew that I can
Hmm.
balance things.
Correct.
So for me, nobody has
Who's
been
the most humble, but you feel like really humble?
humble. For me, I think Shah Rukh Khan is
Hmm.
everything. Like I said, Shah Rukh Khan is superb.
Yeah.
Deepika Padukone,
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, Deepika Padukone is for me a goddess.
Yeah.
I can't even call her a human.
Yeah.
So she's superb, you know. And I know there are a lot of people misunderstand when you look at it from the outside.
Right.
ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, ये करता है, ये वो करता है.
Hmm.
But Ranveer, superb. Ranveer he's a happy soul.
Happy soul. Yeah.
People think that if he wears weird clothes and
things.
he dances weirdly, or it's not weird. That's him.
That's
I could be looking weird. Why are you wearing a round neck t-shirt? Why are you wearing these glasses? It could be weird for someone and it could be good for me.
Correct.
Ranveer is a happy soul.
Right.
I mean, so these happy souls, these nice people.
Yeah.
So, but again, going back to that, for me, Shah Rukh Khan is I mean, I don't think anybody can become like Shah Rukh Khan.
Like Shah Rukh Khan.
He's the biggest star
Yeah.
Bollywood has ever seen, I think, after
Undoubtedly.
Rajesh Khanna.
Undoubtedly.
I wasn't, I think even born when Rajesh Khanna was this mega star.
Right.
Humility, well-spoken, well-behaved. Even if he's preoccupied, and if I am around and someone says,
Hmm.
Sonu is here or whatever, even if he doesn't recollect my name, he will still come and he'll hug you and he'll, greet you. Why? He doesn't need to do it.
Right.
There are 10,000 people in a day who Shah Rukh Khan must be meeting, or there are 10,000 people in a day who must be 100,000 people in a day who want to meet Shah Rukh. Every single time I have bumped into him or met him, he has been super polite. Even if he recognized me, didn't recognize me, preoccupied, shooting, stressed out, public, bodyguard, mara-mari, event. No, he has greeted, hugged. He's too good.
Wow.
There cannot be a second Shah Rukh Khan.
Definitely.
Cannot.
Amongst the celebrities, whom do you feel needs nothing, as in no procedures,
Natural
nothing?
beauty.
Also a male actor, and for that matter, even a female actress.
See, male actors, I think more than the beauty, the god, I would say, of cinema. It could be Indian cinema, it could be Hollywood, it could be China, it could be anywhere in the world. Nobody can beat the Sanjay Dutt. I've joined Bollywood only to be close to Sanjay Dutt or meet Sanjay Dutt or spend time with Sanjay Dutt.
Wow.
People say, na yaar, comedy mein ye bahut acha hai, action mein ye bahut acha hai. Sanjay Dutt bhagwan hai. Because when he walks into a room, from him entering, the way he walks, the way he looks, the way he dresses, I mean, it's something else. Whatever people have said about him or still have their perceptions about him, about his life, the way he's handled his life, what he has gone through, boss, there's nothing. I mean, all that is nullified. He's a superhuman. He has the memory of an elephant again. Like I was speaking about Shah Rukh, Sanju has the memory of an elephant. I remember giving him my wedding card, which was 29 years ago. And he remembered. Now again, he meets 20,000 people a day.
Yeah, of course.
The next time I met him, obviously I was married. He couldn't come. I think he was traveling at that point. And then I met him a few months after I got married.
Right.
And he asked me, how was it? Everything was fine, the wedding. I said, what? I am a fan. I have joined Bollywood because I want to spend time with Sanjay Dutt. And my God, literally my God has asked me how everything was okay at the wedding. I was shocked. I was like, I said, really? Bollywood also has people like Sanjay Dutt.
Yeah.
I was like, oof, till date,
Yeah.
even today, actually,
Hmm.
there's something happening where I'm, working with Sanjay Dutt on something. I still feel the same that I felt 25, 26 years ago. And he makes you feel the same as well, whatever it is. It's like that. That's Sanjay Dutt for you. And in females, I think, again, very close to me. I mean, people who I deal with more regularly is the people I see more regularly.
Right.
Malaika Arora.
Yes, of course.
Natural beauty.
Very.
I don't think she ages a day in the whole year.
That's
मतलब एक
so true.
birthday आके दूसरा birthday आ जाता है, and she looks
She
1
gets
year
younger
younger.
and younger. That's true.
And I'm sure nobody will be able to say कि अरे ये करवाया है, उसने वो करवाया. I don't think so. Personally, I don't. She's just 100%
Natural.
fit.
Very fit. Yes.
She focuses on her fitness, I think, more than anything else. If you focus on your fitness, automatically you look good. Automatically you look younger, nicer,
she glows.
happier.
Yeah, literally, she glows.
I always keep saying Malaika is India's answer to Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez is another person who I think, at whatever her age is, I think she's 55 or something now. Man, she can give a 25-year-old a run for their money.
True.
So Malaika is my India's answer to Jennifer Lopez. And Dia Mirza. Oh, wow. 100% natural. She's beautiful.
She's very beautiful.
And again, these people I'm talking about are beautiful souls. If you're a beautiful soul, it's going to reflect on your skin, on your hair, on your behavior, and what people talk about you and what people think about you.
Very true.
So these few people who've been my friends for the longest and, have been my idols, now also, like I've been on a weight loss spree for 25 years, but theek hai, thoda bahut, I think now all my people who meet me after a while are noticing, so thoda kam hua hai. Again, that's all credit goes to Malaika because she's been pushing me and saying, you know what, Sonu, now I think it was your 50th birthday, which was a few months ago, was my 50th birthday. She's saying, now please start taking care of your weight and everything else. खाली बाल और skin कराने से नहीं होगा, थोड़ा health का भी ध्यान रखो, वजन कम करो. So I've been rigorously going to the gym for the last few months because of the pressure from Malaika also. But yeah, no, I mean, these people are very, very nice, good souls. So Bollywood is not as bad as it sounds,
as it's seen,
or people make it out to be.
True.
It's not.
That's it. So when you do artist management, what do you find more enjoyable with the Bollywood celebrities or with the sports persons?
I mean, edge towards sports because I love sports. I love cricket. Being an Indian, obviously, cricket is sort of a religion in India. And I love tennis. I just love tennis. I have flown to different parts of the world to meet big tennis players. Wow. I mean, my highest high was meeting Novak Djokovic and having dinner with him the day he became the number one in tennis men's worldwide. So it was a very big high. And, I've lived sport in India. So, I mean, Yuvraj has been my first sports star that I started with, during my management. Then came into my life Shrishant. In fact, Shri has visited Ashore and, consulted Abhishek quite a few times. I think with me, otherwise,
he's come
sometimes I'm traveling, he speaks to Abhishek directly, he comes, I mean, spending time with a Virat or, with a Surya Kumar Yadav, for me, I mean, it's a different feeling. So, yeah, I would still give an edge to, I love sports. So, when it becomes your business also, and you're shooting with them for endorsements or for events or whatever, I feel much happier when I'm with sports people around. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. One thing which we always wonder, how do these celebrities look so perfect when they even come out of the gym or when they're traveling to the airport? Nowadays, they are captured maximally, like when we step out of the gym, how we look versus how they look. Is this like...
It's all thanks to the people who don't usually get the credit. Do you know every celebrity has a minimum team of 5 to 8 people for every day?
For every day?
Every day. From makeup to hair, to their spot boy. And now bodyguard, you have your driver, you have your trainer, you have your stylist, you have your stylist assistant. So 5 people at a minimum. So now that person, when you're getting out of the house and going to the airport, and you know that you're going to get pepped.
Correct.
You're going to have...
You get to know always, like, even at 2 in the night.
who
The
gets
media
to know.
people, they are always there to capture them. Even at 2 in the night, 4 in the night. Are they
They
like informed?
nowadays what has happened is that they are always there. So
Hmm.
there is somebody on duty always at the
Always
airport.
there. Oh, to notify them.
And if there is somebody who's not on duty, or if the celebrity is not big enough,
Haan,
or the celebrity is not papped as much,
correct.
the celebrity's manager
They only
or some team will inform the paparazzi
okay.
that this person is traveling.
Traveling and coming.
And please don't feel for a normal person it's not to feel that अरे यार इनके तो फोटो रोज आते हैं, ये तो इंस्टाग्राम पे 24 घंटे होते हैं. Even if I need to get papped, when the paparazzi know me because they have seen me with 200 celebrities, they
Right.
know me by first name.
Hmm.
I want to get papped,
Hmm.
I have to pay to get papped.
Pay to get back.
So celebrities have to pay paparazzi
Okay.
to get papped.
I'd seen one of your pictures, I think with Jacqueline ma'am, tying you Rakhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I had in fact seen several of those of the years.
Yes.
Obviously, what I also noticed was in the initial pictures before the transformation, before
Yeah.
the transplant, and the recent 2-3 I saw, you had a buzz cut and you had that hair, and
Right.
so we actually made up a collage, where
Acha.
she's tying you Rakhi, and for those 5 years of consecutive years,
Yeah.
so that also showed a lot of your transformation through those
Yeah,
5
hair.
years.
Yeah,
which we
I
had
did.
seen.
It did. And also, I didn't have hair.
Haan.
So I had seen Jacqueline for the first time in Sri Lanka itself.
Okay.
I remember I was going for IFA
Hmm.
with Neil Nitin Mukesh and Sanjay Dutt, and I think all of us were going together. We were flying together, and I reached Sri Lanka. IFA was happening in Sri Lanka for the first time, and the opening act
Yeah.
they said that is being done by a Bollywood actress from Sri Lanka. There were two movies that had released, Aladdin and Jaane Kahan Se Aayi Hai,
Hmm.
whichever came first. And big stars. So
Hmm.
Sanjay Dutt, Amitabh Bachchan, all of the big stars.
Yeah.
And then Ritesh Deshmukh at that time was big. So, and then all of a sudden there was no
Hmm.
news or no buzz about her.
Hmm.
And then I see her straight in Colombo,
Okay.
and she did the opening act of what you call the IFA
Okay.
in her local Candian sari, and she had 30 dancers behind her, and she was looking very nice.
Very nice.
So I said, what happened with her after the two films? They said, no, what happens to Bollywood? Again, an outsider. She had sort of a language barrier.
Yes, that's true.
She was a Western dancer, ballet dancer, but then again, you have your Bollywood styles.
Right.
I said, boss, with practice, who can't become perfect?
That's right.
And you have to have the will.
Hmm.
I started with lifting luggage in Bollywood.
Oh.
I used to literally lift luggage for a very dear friend of mine who's one of the India's top photographers called Dabu Ratnani.
Okay.
And I used to get paid 4,500 rupees a month
Hmm.
and 500 rupees conveyance. And this was not 500 years ago. I'm
Right.
talking about 2000.
Okay.
And 2000, 2001, 2002,
Hmm.
I think. And then I think my son was born in 2002, and everybody felt sad for me.
Hmm.
And they said, nahi, yaar, Sonu has to start some
Hmm.
better income. He has a child now. 2002, March 8th, my son was born. Until then, I was getting 5,000 rupees a month, and I used to work 30 days a month. I used to wait for celebrities
Hmm.
or whoever, whatever you
Right.
call them, talent, to finish their food so that I can get the leftovers, because the food that used to come for shootings used to have soda.
Okay.
It's a standard process.
Right.
Dal mein, chawal mein, sabzi mein, there's soda,
Okay.
so that your stomach fills up
Ah.
and you don't eat
You
more.
eat less. Okay.
You eat less. Because it costs 50 rupees for shooting food.
Right.
आप शूटिंग पे जाते हो, 50 रुपए पर हेड खाना आता है, कितना कम खिलाने के लिए सोडा. आई यूज टू वेट कि कोई सेलिब्रिटी है, इसने खाना मंगाया यार ये थोड़ा बचा देगा तो मैं बचा वो खा लूंगा. Because I used to feel sick. After some point, you'll start feeling sick,
Right,
no?
right.
And we came from reasonably decent backgrounds where we
Yes.
wanted to do something in Bollywood.
Correct.
So we were not like those hardcore mazdoors.
Yeah, yeah.
We were doing still photography. Dabu was doing still photography for the top people. But I was eventually, they used to call me the assistant, which I never wanted to do photography. But whatever. Until 2-3 years, I was carrying luggage and setting up soft boxes. I was an expert at setting up soft boxes. I was an expert at loading cameras. That time used to be film.
Right.
Now there is digital.
Right.
But I was one of the best guys in loading film. We used to call them transparencies in those days.
Okay.
So I used to be that for 3-4 years. 5,000 was the maximum salary I got. And like I said, today I'm hopefully in 2025 we'll be producing quite a few
Wow.
films, shows, content. So technically, eventually it's hard work.
Yeah,
I
of
mean, and
course.
persistence, that you
Persistence.
have to, go on, and that's how you have to do it.
True.
And be humble. I mean, a lot of people don't think I'm humble,
Mm.
but it's not, it's not, I don't have a superiority complex. I'm just have
Right.
little more self-respect.
Yes.
Because again, I'm an outsider. I had nothing to do with Bollywood, ever. So people misunderstand sometimes, अरे नहीं यार ये अपने आप को क्या समझता है, इसको superiority complex है, ये कौन है क्या है. But that's okay.
You'd be
I've still not got
fine.
papped. I'm waiting to get papped.
And these parties, it would be like a regular thing for you every weekend.
Yeah, but in the last, again, for the first 5, 7, 10 years, I had to attend a lot of parties. My biggest drawback is alcohol. My biggest problem is that I don't drink alcohol.
Okay.
I don't do any kind of substance, as in whatever it may be, that
Yes.
intoxicates you. So in
Correct.
Hindi, we call it nasha. I don't do
Nasha.
any nasha because I follow a certain path,
Right.
in a religious path where
Correct.
I believe in
Mm.
all gods.
Mm.
And it's
Right.
like sabka malik ek. So in that, usually avoidable to do any kind of nasha. So I have strongly followed that.
Yes.
And then after 7, 10 years, when you go to parties and you're not drinking and you're not doing anything else, it becomes
Yeah.
a habit ki haan theek hai,
Correct.
theek hai, no problem. And then it became a lifestyle. And then I realized, for me in my business, it became a very big plus, because if there's my artist is with me.
Yes.
Chalo, not one. At times there are 2 artists, 3 artists who are with me, and they are little happy, and they need to go home. And if I am also happy, and both of us exit a party,
Right.
who's going to take care of who? So I had a very big plus
point here.
कि I used to be
Used
the
to not
Uber.
drink.
तो ड्राइव गाड़ी चलानी है, सोनू को बुलाओ. पैप्स के आगे थोड़ा नेचुरल रखना है, सोनू को बुलाओ. इश्यू हो गया, सोनू. माय फोन इज ऑन 24 hours.
Okay.
एंड माय वाइफ, चाइल्ड, मदर, फादर आर यूज्ड टू इट नाउ. रात को आई बिकम फायर फाइटर. भाई ये हो गया, लिसन, वेयर आर यू?
You are there to rescue them.
आई एम अ फायर फाइटर. आग भी बुझानी पड़ती है, घर का ताला भी तोड़ना पड़ता है, गाड़ी भी ठीक करवानी पड़ती है, बहुत चीजें करनी पड़ती है जो कैमरा पे नहीं बोली जा सकती. सो आई एम एवरीबॉडीज विंगमैन. सो दे जस्ट मेड मी द विंगमैन. बॉलीवुड का विंगमैन कौन है? सोनू है. बट नॉट बॉलीवुड, आई मीन whoever I am close to.
Correct.
Jacqueline, but my longest relationship in management was Jacqueline. Like you mentioned, so 10, 15
Yes,
years. And
yes.
the first year when she came to India, she was a little scared. Again, she's a foreigner.
Yes.
So I said, you know what? The most sacred thing in this, for protection, when you say you need protection, she's, new to India,
Right,
doesn't know the
right.
language.
Right.
I said, if you want genuine protection, you have to tie a Rakhi, because then I'll have to protect you. I don't have a choice.
Yes.
And I think the first year of her coming back after we met at IFA,
Yeah.
she tied me Rakhi. And the last conversation that I was having on the phone before we started
Correct.
shooting this was with Jacqueline.
Right.
So that's how long, she's been family to me. Yeah.
That's right. So there's one thing that you want to tell the audience, who are not very confident and are losing the hope, especially when they're losing hair. Is there something that, like a takeaway that you would want, a message that you would want to give the audience?
See, what happens now, there is this new thing that has come up in the last 5, 10, 15 years called anxiety,
Yes.
depression,
Correct.
panic. I think these are words that, have come up in the last 15, 20 years.
Right.
People are anxious about the way they look also.
Yes. That's
So
a pressure.
There's pressure. So if that is taking a toll on you,
Yes.
why can't you go to a skin doctor or a hair doctor and sort it out?
Fix it.
What is the problem?
True.
So people who are afraid, scared, don't want to come out, and it's okay. It'll make you feel good the moment you see that hair on your head, or you see your skin getting better,
Yes.
or whatever.
Yeah, I think professionally, personally, in
Everything.
both ways,
And it's not just for Bollywood. I'm talking about anybody.
Anybody, yes.
See, the one thing that I get whenever I meet somebody, घर में there is a son and there is a daughter. यार मेरा बेटा 2 इंच लंबा होता ना, क्रिकेटर बन जाता. मेरी बेटी 2 इंच लंबी होती ना, एक्ट्रेस बन जाती. अरे बॉस, वो तो ठीक है, आपका बेटा क्रिकेटर बन जाता. क्रिकेटर बनने के बाद उसका मेन इनकम कहाँ से आता? एंडोर्समेंट्स करके, IPL खेल के, कूल लग के, गुची के कपड़े पहन के. He has to look good also na.
Right.
You have that option now na.
Correct.
When
So
you
true.
have
Very
when you
true.
have skin doctors, hair doctors, everything. Don't get stuck in that taboo which used to be 25 years. Oh, cosmetic surgery करवा रहा है तो हाँ करवा रहा हूँ. हाँ ठीक है करवा. आपको, आपको कोई
Hmm.
तकलीफ दे रहा हूँ? If I'm taking a loan from a bank or taking a
Yes.
loan from a friend and saying, I want to get a cosmetic surgery and I'm looking good and I want to spoil myself. No, na, I needed the hair transplant. That's why I got it.
Exactly.
So people shouldn't worry. They shouldn't be anxious.
Correct.
Just get it done from the right place, right source, right
Correct.
doctor with the right consultation.
Right.
Do that. Just don't jump into anything कि हाँ पता नहीं है चलो हम चले गए ऑस्ट्रेलिया चले गए साउथ कोरिया पता नहीं I don't know where all people are going Turkey
Correct.
Bangkok just people just run
Hmm.
यार बैंकॉक में पता नहीं एवरी डे मैंने सुना है 10,000 हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट होते हैं तो 10,000 लोग अगर कहीं डूबते हैं तो मैं जाकर डूब जाऊंगा
Hmm.
फर्स्ट यू सी the
Correct.
cleanliness the environment
The
the
comfort.
skill of the
The
doctor
comfort also.
I was very happy
Yeah.
to do it in Bombay because again my home is Bombay
Correct.
I was getting it done going home
Hmm.
next day coming back getting it done going home
Hmm. Right.
I'm in a secure environment secure atmosphere in my own city.
And people do now. I feel Indian surgeons is something where people get that comfort, and of course they have the skills. So why travel somewhere?
I think world over, anytime, God forbid, we've had to see a doctor, we are most comfortable seeing an Indian doctor in America,
Right.
an Indian doctor in Singapore, an Indian
Right.
doctor in London. The world has imported Indian doctors. That
That's right.
means you have the best doctors in
Best
India.
doctors. The best.
That's why they are going
yes.
to going all over the world.
Correct.
I met for a friend a cardiologist in US.
Hmm.
He was Indian.
Hmm.
I mean the best, not
Yes.
second best, not third best, the best.
Yes.
He was Indian.
Hmm.
So it's not that just Indians just know how to do
Yes.
coding
Yes.
and you have to take them to Silicon Valley. But
Hmm.
that I think the doctors, you're in safest hands if it's an
Yes.
Indian
I
doctor.
think there's a lot of change now. I see.
Now a lot of people have started trusting Indian
Yes,
doctors.
definitely.
But I think, I mean, Indian doctors have always been the best. For
Yes.
whatever my experiences in the last 20, 30 years that I've
That's
been,
true.
you know,
Mm.
whatever, for whatever reason,
Yeah.
gone to them. I think Indian doctors, you're in safe hands.
Yeah, that's true.
Surely.
Thank you so much. You've always supported us a lot, and
Anytime.
always the references that you send in and the confidence that you show in us. So
Anytime,
great.
anytime. I'm one phone call away. Anytime you need me for anything.
thank you so much, sir.
Most
Thank you.
welcome. See you.